So similar figures, they are a shape that looks virtually the same, but it's just been enlarged or it's been shrunk. So these would be similar in the sense that they look like they're the same shape, just one is bigger than the other or one is smaller than the other, okay? So we can use our knowledge of scale factor, which we've done in a previous video, to find unknowns like this x, okay? So what we need to do is the first step is we need to determine the scale factor. So how much bigger is this shape? So remember, we call this the object and this the image. Okay, so the original is the object and the new one is the image. So for our scale factor, we would go, scale factor is the image over the object. Now I can see that this side corresponds to this side, and then this side corresponds to this side. So we need to use the side that we have a value for both shapes, okay? There'd be no use to use this straight away because this doesn't tell us anything. So we need to use this first. So the image is going to be 15, and then the object is going to be 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So our scale factor is 5. So it means that anything in this shape going to this shape has been multiplied by 5. So to find x, we need to do 1.5 times 5, and that will give us what it is in our new shape, which is 7.5 centimeters. Okay. All right, so for this one, we can see that our shape has gotten smaller. This side is the long side, so it corresponds to this one. And then the short sides are 10 and 6, okay? So for our scale factor, remembering this is our object and this is our image. So for our scale factor, we're gonna go image over object. And that is going to be, we're going to use these orange ones because we've got the value for both of them. We're going to go 6 over 10. Now 6 over 10 can be simplified to 3 over 5, and that's the smallest that we can actually get that number. So everything going from left to right has been multiplied by 3/5. So to find y, we need to go 18 times 3 over 5. So 18 times 3 divided by 5 is going to be 10.8 centimeters, okay? So it's gotten smaller by 3/5.